Guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Redragon K552 mechanical keyboard. Okay, first things first guys, I will put a link in the description for the same keyboard. There's a black and white option. I think the white is $5 more, but I picked this up on Amazon for, I think it was $35. So pretty good deal for what you get here. Okay guys, so a couple different things with this keyboard. In the description it is listed as a gaming keyboard. As you can see here with the WASD, it has the marks on it. As far as keycaps go, there is no rubber feeling to them, but they still have pretty good grip, and they have little indents in them too. Each line of the keyboard has a specific color, and you cannot change the color on that, but there is a bunch of different color options. So all you do is go to FN and then the insert, and there's a couple different lighting modes. This one just flashes on and off slowly, and then you got your side to side. You got the circle around, and then you got solid on. I usually just stick to the on all the time, but anyways, enough of that. Those are the options. Other options, these are more specific for gaming. You can go to FN, and then 1 gives you lights up WASD, 2 lights up a couple more. So basically this just gives you the option to light up the keys that you want for your game. This goes all the way up to 8, and 9 turns it off. And also guys, I'm gonna be getting into a sound test at the end of the video, but I want to go over a few pros and cons that I have for this keyboard after using it for a couple weeks now. So starting with the pros, this keyboard has a very thick metal case around it, with rubber on the bottom, so it does not move very easily. It's pretty sturdy. So I like that about it a lot. Feels very solid and very well made. And another pro I have for this keyboard is the keycaps are customizable, so you can order a different space key or WASD, rubber keycaps, whatever you would like. Number 3 is I love the color options that this keyboard has. I think it looks very clean how each keycap is lit up specifically, whereas you can see on a lot of other ones that they're just backlit instead of each specific key. And my last pro for this keyboard is the sound, which I'll get into here in a second. Now guys, the only 2 cons I have for this keyboard is 1 being you cannot change the color of each line of the keyboard. It's kind of just stuck to the red on top, blue on the second, so on. And the last small con I have, which is it's not really a big deal, is it can be a little bit on the loud side, but doesn't seem to be an issue because, again, I do like the sound of this keyboard. And one last thing that I forgot, guys, is that if you just go to FN down, changes the brightness, so you can turn all the lights off, and then push the up arrow, and there you go, you have full brightness again. So yeah, let's get right into this sound test. Okay guys, that just about wraps it up for this video. I hope I covered everything that is helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment down in the description and I will try to answer that the best I can. But yeah, I think this is a great keyboard for the price. It offers a lot. Great performance, great feel, it's comfortable, very well made. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video.